Our village is tucked away in a quiet valley surrounded on all sides by mountains and wide open fields. It's harvest season now, one of the busier times of the year here in Cambodia. The golden corn stands tall, ready to be gathered. From the sunrise to sunset, everyone is in the fields harvesting by hand with filling baskets with the fruits of the season. It's hard work, but there's a beauty in it. The golden fields come alive with the energy of friends and families working together. Our little village, where life is painted by mountains and hard work of the farmers. We're surrounded by these towering mountains, giving our home a peaceful, natural backdrop. In every direction, there are fields and croplands stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a beautiful place, but also a place where people work hard every single day. Harvesting isn't just work, it's also a time for connection. We laugh, we talk, and share story as we fill each basket. There's a bond that forms when we are out there, working side by side under the open sky. After a long day in the fields, we gather back home. Tonight, my aunt and my uncle have come to visit us, bringing fresh ingredients to make one of our favorite traditional dishes.
Hello.
My aunt is preparing a traditional Cambodian soup, a recipe that's been passed down in our family. The aroma fills the kitchen, bringing warmth and comfort to everyone. It's perfect meal after a day spent in the fields. As we sit down to eat, we've decided to watch a movie together, something we all enjoy, with delicious foods and good company. It feels like the perfect end to a long day. These moments remind us of what's truly important, whether it's hard work in the fields or the simple joys of sharing a meal with a story. These are the memories that stay with us. Our days here are filled with hard work and simple joys, and as the mountains stand up quietly in the background, they seem to watch over us, grounding us in the lives we love.